everyone, welcome to Dash of Spices and welcome to our new setup. This is our new kitchen. If you watch our current video, I did show a little bit of a glimpse of our new kitchen. So before we proceed with the video, I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of you who subscribe to our channel. We recently have reached 1,000 subscribers. That's 1,000 people, more than 1,000 plus subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Homemade meal is really good, especially when it's seasoned with love. Right here, that's just spices. All the meals that we do, all the homemade recipe that we do, we make in our kitchen, they are all seasoned with love. So again, thank you everyone. Please continue supporting our channel. And for those of you who are new, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of us and you get notified if we have new videos, go ahead and click that bell button. So today I will show you how I made a healthy, quick and easy oatmeal recipe. So for breakfast, this is actually good, but I could eat oatmeal throughout the day. So today I will show you how I create this 3 healthy, quick and easy oatmeal recipe. I made strawberry oatmeal, chocolate oatmeal, which is my favorite, and toasted almond oatmeal. The toasted almond oatmeal is really good too. So if you want to learn how I made this, keep on watching.
Preheat the pot, and when the pot is nice and hot, go ahead and add the oatmeal and the liquid. I cooked the oatmeal for almost 10 minutes. This depends on how you like your oatmeal. I want my oatmeal done but not overcooked. So 10 minutes for me is a perfect time to cook the oatmeal. Stir and cover this. Let it simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, remove the lid, mix it a little bit, and I'm going to add half cup of milk. You could use any milk of your choice, and continue stirring for about good 5 minutes on medium heat. Once you get into the consistency that you want your oatmeal to be, go ahead and turn the heat off and cover until you're ready to serve. For strawberry oatmeal, all we need here is the strawberry and sweetener. Slice the strawberry into tiny cubes, just like this. Place in a small bowl and add your sweetener. I add sugar because I'm making this for my daughter. Now, if you want to make this for yourself, go ahead and use either agave sweetener or honey. Place or add oatmeal, cooked oatmeal into a bowl, and add the flavoring. Make sure you let the strawberry sit in the sugar for a good minute, so you could prepare this ahead of time and keep it in the fridge. Mix and add more strawberry toppings, and this is good to go. All you have to do is add your favorite milk. You have yourself a strawberry oatmeal bowl. Now let's do the almond toasted oatmeal. Make sure you toast the almond before serving it. Toasted almonds add more flavor and also add a lot of good scent to your oatmeal. I'm using a brown sugar. Again, you could substitute this with either agave or honey. Top this with the toasted almond. Toasted almonds smell so good. Add your favorite milk, and this is ready to go. You have yourself an almond toasted oatmeal. Now for the chocolate oatmeal, this is my favorite. Add the cooked oatmeal into a bowl. Add a dark chocolate cocoa mix. Add your sweetener, add your milk. Mix. And once they're combined, add your favorite sweetener. I'm using the Hershey chocolate because it's sweet and it's also chocolate. Just a little bit, but who doesn't like extra chocolate, right? And now add your favorite milk, and you have yourself a chocolate oatmeal using dark chocolate. Now here's our 3 quick and easy and super healthy oatmeal bowl. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button if you do. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you want to see more of us, click that bell button. We're going to have videos once a week. Thank you for visiting Dash of Spices while we cook and season our food with love.
Okay, there you go. I hope you like that video. I hope that inspire you to create some simple, quick and easy, healthy breakfast meal. And again, thank you everyone for subscribing to our channel. For 1,000+ subscribers, I appreciate you guys. I hope you continue supporting us. And please share this recipe. If you think somebody likes oatmeal, please share this recipe. And again, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for me and my daughter and my husband, even though he don't show up in the camera. Thank you everyone for supporting us. Appreciate it. Until next time, watch for more videos. There are going to be more quick and easy healthy meal seasoned with love here in Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao.